Dark mode comes to websites. Progressive web apps on desktop get an install button in the Omnibox. You can finally prevent the mini info bar from appearing on mobile, and plenty more. I'm Pete LePage. Let's dive in and see what's new for developers in Chrome 76. In Chrome 76, we're making it easier for users to install progressive web apps on the desktop by adding an install button to the address bar, sometimes called the Omnibox. If your site meets the progressive web app installability criteria, Chrome will show an install button in the Omnibox indicating to the user that your PWA can be installed. If the user clicks the install button, it's essentially the same as calling prompt on the before install prompt event. It shows the install dialog, making it easy for users to install your PWA. On mobile, Chrome shows the mini info bar the first time a user visits your site if it meets the progressive web app installability criteria. We heard from you that you want to be able to prevent that mini info bar from appearing and provide your own install promotion instead. Starting in Chrome 76, calling prevent default on the before install prompt event will stop the mini info bar from appearing. Be sure to update your UI to let users know that your PWA can be installed. There's a great post linked in the description with patterns for updating your UI and promoting the installation of your PWA. When a progressive web app is installed on Android, Chrome automatically requests and installs a web APK. After it's been installed, Chrome periodically checks to see if the web app manifest has changed. Maybe you've updated the icons, colors, or changed the app name, and it checks to see if a new web APK is required. Starting in Chrome 76, Chrome will check the manifest more frequently, checking every day instead of every 3 days. If any of the key properties have changed, Chrome will request and install a new web APK, ensuring the title, icons, and other properties are up to date. Check my post linked in the description for complete details. Many operating systems now support a dark mode or dark theme. The Prefers Color Scheme Media Query allows you to adjust the look and feel of your site to match the user's preferred mode. Tom has a great article on web.dev with everything you need to know, plus tips for architecting your style sheets to support both a light and a dark mode. These are just a few of the changes in Chrome 76 for developers. Of course, there's plenty more. Personally, I'm really excited about promise.all settled. It's similar to promise.all, except it waits until all of the promises are settled before returning. Blobs are easier to read with 3 new methods: text, array buffer, and stream. And it means we don't have to create a wrapper around file reader anymore. And we've added support for images to the asynchronous clipboard API, making it easy to programmatically copy and paste images. All the details, including docs and specs, are in the updates post linked in the description. Be sure to check out the latest Chrome DevTools video to learn what's new in DevTools. Then click the subscribe button, and you'll get an email notification whenever we launch a new video. I'm Pete LePage, and as soon as Chrome 77 is released, I'll be right here to tell you what's new in Chrome.